and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of setting financial goals that just fizzle out? You're not alone. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're diving deep into a proven framework that will revolutionize how you approach your financial goals. We're talking about SMART goals, a method so effective that it can transform your financial life. We'll break down each element of a SMART goal, and more importantly, show you how to put it into action. And that's what this video is all about, giving you the tools and strategies to not just set goals, but to crush them. So, if you're ready to unlock your full financial potential, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive right in. Alright, let's be honest with ourselves for a moment. How many times have we set a financial goal like, I want to save more money, or I need to start investing, only to find ourselves stuck in the same place months later? It's frustrating, right? You're not alone. The truth is, most traditional goal-setting methods are inherently flawed. They lack the clarity, structure, and actionable steps needed to translate dreams into reality. See, here's the thing. Simply saying I want to be rich is about as effective as wishing on a shooting star. It's a nice thought, but it lacks direction. It's like saying you want to travel the world without picking a destination, booking a flight, or even packing a bag. You see where I'm going with this? Without a well-defined roadmap, you're setting yourself up for failure from the get-go. And this is where SMART goals come into play. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Each element of this framework is crucial for creating goals that are not just wishful thinking, but actual, attainable milestones on your path to financial success. Let's break down why traditional goals fail. First off, they're often too vague. Saving more is a noble intention, but how much is more? Without a specific amount in mind, it's impossible to track your progress or know when you've achieved your goal. Second, traditional goals lack measurability. If you can't measure it, you can't manage it. So how do we break free from this cycle of setting ourselves up for failure? How do we set goals that we can actually achieve? That's what we're going to dive into next. Okay, let's ditch the old, ineffective ways of setting goals and step into the world of SMART goals. Remember, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Now let's break down each element and understand how it transforms your financial game plan. First up is S for specific. This means ditching vague statements like, I want to save more, and replacing them with crystal clear targets. Instead of saying, I'll save more, say, I will save 50,000 rupees for an emergency fund. See the difference? You've given your goal a clear definition, making it much easier to plan and execute. Next comes M for measurable. You need a way to track your progress and hold yourself accountable. This could involve breaking down your goal into smaller, measurable milestones. For instance, if you're aiming to save 50,000 rupees in 6 months, that translates to saving roughly 8,333 rupees per month. By tracking your savings regularly, you can see if you're on track or if you need to adjust your strategy along the way. Now, let's talk about A for achievable. It's great to dream big, but your goals should also be grounded in reality. Consider your current income, expenses, and lifestyle when setting your target. Moving on to R for relevant. This is all about aligning your goals with your values, priorities, and long-term vision. Okay. Now that we've broken down the SMART framework, let's bring it to life with some real-world examples. No more vague aspirations. We're talking about concrete, actionable goals that you can implement right away. Let's start with a common financial goal, paying off debt. A traditional, ineffective goal would be, I want to pay off my loan. It's vague and lacks any clear action plan. A SMART goal, on the other hand, would be, I will pay an extra 5,000 rupees per month towards my 60,000 rupees personal loan with the aim of becoming debt-free in 12 months. See the difference? This revised goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Next up, let's look at investing. A traditional goal might be, I want to start investing in the stock market. Again, this lacks clarity and direction. A SMART goal would be, I will invest 5,000 rupees every month in a low-cost index fund, consistently for the next 3 years. This goal is specific about the amount invested, the investment vehicle, and the time frame. It's measurable because you can track your contributions and portfolio growth. It's achievable if you align it with your budget. It's relevant to your long-term financial growth, and it's time-bound with a clear 3-year horizon. All right, now that you know how to set powerful SMART financial goals, let's take it a step further. I'm going to share 3 proven strategies that will help you stay laser-focused, overcome obstacles, and achieve those goals faster than you ever thought possible. Strategy number 1 is to automate your savings and investments. We're creatures of habit, and it's easy to fall off track when we rely solely on willpower. That's where automation comes in. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account or investment accounts each month. Think of it like paying yourself first. The moment your salary hits your account, a predetermined amount is automatically routed to your goals. This way, you're consistently investing and saving without even having to think about it. Trust me, this strategy alone can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Strategy number 2 is what I call the 1% rule. This simple yet powerful principle is all about committing to improving by 1% each day. Congratulations! You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge and strategies to unlock your financial potential. You understand the power of SMART goals and have 3 powerful strategies to supercharge your progress. But here's the thing, knowledge without action is useless. It's time to put everything you've learned into practice. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. So here's what I want you to do right now. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Take out a notebook, open a note on your phone, or grab whatever you use to jot down important things. Are you ready? Good. Now, write down 1 SMART financial goal that you're committed to achieving. Make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And don't be afraid to dream big, but also be realistic and start with something you know you can accomplish. Next, consider which of the 3 strategies we discussed resonates most with you. Is it automating your savings, embracing the 1% rule, or finding an accountability partner? Choose one strategy and commit to implementing it starting today. And here's a bonus tip. Don't try to do everything at once. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about making smart choices consistently. And the first step is setting those SMART goals and taking action. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from it. Let's spread the message of financial empowerment together, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm constantly sharing new tips, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve your financial goals. Until next time, keep believing in yourself, keep pushing forward, and keep building the financial future you deserve.